Okay, so in this video we're going to figure out the cost of electricity. Okay, the cost of operating a 60-watt light bulb if you use 10 hours every day for 30 days, and the cost of electricity is given as 0.16 kilowatt hour. Okay, so before we move it, let's understand what this is. What is this kilowatt hour? Okay, it is simply just read it and just write it out. So it's kilowatt hour. This is the amount of energy, okay, for 1 hour. It's like a standard unit that they use. Kilo is 1,000, okay, and watt hour is simply watt multiplied by that many seconds, which is 3,600 seconds. So this is equal to that many joules. So it is 3.6 times 10 to the 6 joules, or 3.6 million joules. That's 1 kilowatt hour. And energy is measured in units of that when it comes to, usage and in your homes and all those things. So you're not literally measuring it in joules. It would be very tedious to do the calculation. So it's much easier to do this. So the approach is very simple. Find the total energy first, okay, in joules. Okay, so that's what we'll do. We know the power, we know the amount of time, so we can find the total energy in joules. Once we get the total energy in joules, then we'll divide it by this, 3.6 times 10 to the 6 joules, to get the total number of kilowatt hours. Okay, and then once we have that, we can find the cost. Okay, so first, let us calculate the total time. Total time is equal to, it is 10 hours for a day for 30 days. So it is 30 days times 10 hours times 3,600. So this is the total number of seconds. Okay, so the total energy now consumed in joules is going to be equal to the power times time. And the power, we said, is the 60-watt light bulb multiplied by this total time. Okay, so this will end up giving you a huge number. So this is the total number of joules. So first, now we're going to find the total kilowatt hour. So we're going to take this, so we'll convert to kilowatt hour. And in order to do that, what we'll simply do is we'll take this number and divide it by 3.6 times 10 to the 6. Okay. So when we do this, it will give us the total number of kilowatt hours. So let's figure out what. So now this happens to be 18 kilowatt hours. Okay. Now we are ready to calculate the amount of the cost. The cost is simply going to be equal to the energy in kilowatt hour multiplied by the rate. Okay. And it is going to be E18 multiplied by the rate, which is 0.16 for every kilowatt hour. And this gives us the total value for the, so that happens to be $2.88. So this is the amount you're spending on one light bulb. Now of course you think that, hey, this is nothing. But now think about all the devices. You may have, 20 light bulbs in your homes. Okay, so all that is going to add up. Okay, so this is the final calculation. Now you can repeat the same process for absolutely anything. Alright.